verse called Manu O'o, and that was shared with us by Wayne Chang. He was a hula brother of my kumu hula, Mililani Allen, and he said he learned it from Johnny Lumpo. And when he taught us many years ago, he gave it to Millie and said, "You just do it the way you want to," and she decided that we were going to do it the way he taught us. And we do for you Manu O'o. Then afterwards is a mele called Kihanui Lulumoku, which my kumu and I wrote together. It's about the Mo'o in the legend of Laie Kawai. And it's the protector of Laie Kawai when she's on the island of Hawaii. First we do for you Manu O'o.
Hivi